You know, the one where we came from, we can be locked, so only private for. And then here, for example, also we can arrange butler service, you know, private, and only private services, or if we like, for example, for big families. So here we have 4 suites on this level. So you see we have that's definitely cheap. So
Yeah, for the seats.
So here we have all these suites. We have 4 of them. And Grand Castelfalfi suite, 107 square meters. And Castelfalfi suite, which is 63 square meters. It can connect to each other, so it becomes a huge 2-bedroom. Then from outside, I'll show you, they have a beautiful patio, private garden. And we have 2 here, and another 2 there. Okay, connect, and this one also connect. And then upstairs, we have other rooms and suites. A junior suite on this part. Housekeeping.
811. So that's junior suite.
This is a junior suite with terrace.
So like this.
You have a Dyson as well, you noticed.
Yeah, that's a nice thing.
But now I'll show you another one which is bigger than this. It's a suite terrace, so you have a living. Here below we have the signature one
this one.
Then they have a patio, and then all this garden, you know, belongs to each suite, you know, and it's all private for them. Good luck, yeah, nice weather.
Beautiful. Very silent.
It's right, very quiet. Remember the mini bar is included. Only, I mean, soft drinks, water. Only alcohol and snacks. This is also complimentary as well.